So in this dashboard, I would be sharing how a person can actually make decision in which particular listing or property to invest, and then once it is invested, then you can list it in particular marketplaces of short and long-term home stays and experiences like Airbnb, etc. So in this one, it is mainly on the basis of which area you would like to select, which particular location, which room space type you are going to select, and finding out the prices which are in each particular location. So first of all, we can clearly see that Manhattan have the highest average price by location and Bronx have the lowest average price by location. And obviously, whenever we are looking for the lowest one, we can clearly see that okay, this have less amount of listing, while in Manhattan there is a lot more listing over here. And most importantly, if you are in this business, you would always need to see how much minimum nights are people willing to spend. So general overall is 7 nights people are spending in the state of New York. This is the dummy data, so just remember that to analyze, and most of the data is dummy. So the point here is that if we for example look for Brooklyn, we can see 6 nights are spent at minimum on average. Same thing for Queens, almost five nights, etc. So once we have analyzed that, we can see okay, which room type people are actually listing out in each particular location or even area. So for example, if I just select this one, and in financial district, I can see okay, mostly people are listing at entire home or private room. So we can clearly see over here, and Williamsburg, it is like that. So you can make decision on the basis of that as well, and you can also make decision on the basis of what other hosts are doing. So for example, Olivia is actually over here, and she have her property 449 properties all over New York State, etc. So these are the top 5 hosts which we are analyzing, and they have huge number of listings there. And further over here, average days availability out of 365 days. So usually how much the vacancy of those particular rooms are in the entire year, we can clearly see okay, this much on average the spaces are available in each particular location, etc. So yep, that's it, and hope you find this super helpful as a real estate business owner or investor. Thank you.